Plastics. We all are familiar with many plastic articles used every day. Okay. Plastic is also a polymer like other synthetic fibers. All plastic do not have the same type of arrangement. In some it is linear, whereas other it is cross-linked. Here you can see linear series and cross-linked. Okay. Plastic articles are available in possible shapes like chair, dustbins. Okay, there are different shapes, size, colors. Okay, it can be shaped in any form. Plastic is easily moldable. That's why it can be shaped in any form. Plastic can be recycled, reused, colored, melt, rolled into sheets, etc. Polyethylene is an example of plastic. It is used for making commonly used polythene bags. Okay. There are two types of plastic: thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. A plastic, now we will talk about thermoplastic. A plastic which can be softened repeatedly by heating and can be molded into different shapes again and again is called thermoplastic. A plastic which can be softened repeatedly by heating and can be molded into different shape again and again are called thermoplastic. They are flexible, so can be bent easily, and they are also known as thermosofting plastic. Okay. For example, polythene, polyvinyl chloride, PVC. They are used for making those articles which do not get too hot and are flexible. They are used for making insulation of electric wires and cables, various type of plastic containers, combs, toys, raincoat, seat covers, etc. Okay, they can be easily remolded. Okay, they can melt easily. Next is thermosetting plastic. Thermosetting plastic, a plastic which once set does not become soft on heating. A plastic which once set does not become soft on heating and cannot be molded a second time is called thermosetting plastic. It can be used only for one time. Okay. Once set in a given shape and solidifies, a thermosetting plastic cannot be softened or remolded in another object or articles. These are known as thermosets. Bakelite and are thermosets. Bakelite, you must have seen bakelite articles like electric boards such as pressure cooker handles. Okay, these are made up of bakelite, and melamine utensils are used. So these type of plastic are thermosetting plastic and they cannot be remolded into different shape. They are not flexible. Due to this, they cannot be bent. When the article made of thermosetting plastic is forced to bend it breaks. Okay. And this type of plastic, they do not become soft on getting heated. Like cooker off handle, on heating they do not get soft. That's why they are used as a handles of cooker or kadhai or other pan. They are poor conductor of heat. That's why it does not get burned. Okay. Thermosetting plastic are used for making electrical fitting, switches, plugs, sockets. Because they do not become soft on getting heated, they are poor conductor of electricity. Handle and bristles of toothpaste are made up of different plastic. Now let's discuss about the structure of thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Now thermoplastic are made up of long chain molecules called polymer. It is made up of long chain molecules called polymer. The long polymer chain are not cross-linked like this, with one another. Due to this, on heating, the individual polymer chain can slide over one another and thermoplastic becomes soft and ultimately melts because it is made up of chain. They are not cross-linked with each other. Okay. Whereas thermosetting plastic are made up of chain molecules called polymer. The long polymer chains are cross-linked with one another. These cross-link prevent the displacement of individual polymer. That's why it cannot be melt on heating. It do not become soft on heating. Once they have been set into particular shape, we cannot distort their shape. Now, plastic as materials of choice. Today we think of storing a food item, water, milk, pickles, dry foods, etc. Plastic containers seem most convenient. This is because of their weight. Plastics are very lightweight, low price, good strength and easy handling. Being lighter as compared to metal, plastic are used in car, aircraft, spacecraft. Okay, the list is endless. If we start counting articles like slipper, furniture, decoration pieces, etc. Now, let's discuss the characteristics of plastic. Plastic is non-reactive. Metals like iron get rusted, copper get rusted when it is come in the contact of air. But plastic do not react with water and air. That's why it is good for storing storage. Various kind of material. Plastic is lightweighted, strong and durable, long lasting. That's why it is used. It is more convenient to use. Next is plastic are poor conductor. We have learned about the plastic are poor conductor of heat and electricity. That's why electrical wires have plastic covering. We know that electrical wires are good conductor and it is covered with insulating plastics because they do not conduct the heat and electricity. And handles of screwdrivers are made up of plastic because it is non-conductor or poor conductor of electricity. So these are the characteristics of plastics.